Samsung Galaxy A32 comes with a large 6.4-inch screen and 4 rear cameras. We gave it a brief look, so see below what our impressions are. The device itself is a bit bulky. It has 8.4mm profile and might be a problem for those with a smaller fist. The case is plastic, as with previous A-series models. The A32 might be a bit huge for someone in their pocket because of its size, but it's an acceptable compromise of quality and price. Like all newer A models, the A32 has USB-C Type charger and 3.5mm audio output. The 6.4-inch screen offers 411 ppi of pixel density and 800 nits of brightness, which Samsung has obviously set as a new standard for mobile phones in this price range, as this is exactly what sets it apart from other devices in the same range. Also, 90Hz refresh rate offers very smooth transitions on the screen. The color range is extremely good and looks very attractive. Screen visibility outside in direct sunlight due to 800 nits screen is quite good. The latest Android 11 comes with Samsung's One UI 3.1 upgrade that runs smoothly, offering a refreshing look of the interface and application, and everything is very intuitively set. Camera-wise, the A32 offers 4 back cameras and 1 front. With a 64-megapixel main back camera and 3 auxiliary ones, the A32 offers very sharp and rich photos. The front camera, although lower resolution, offers extremely great selfie photos. With an extremely good screen, great camera range, and the new Android 11 OS, the A32 really sticks to the newly set A-series standard.